Hey, this is Fernando with CE, and today you get a glimpse of what it would be like to be the fastest carpet cleaner in the world, or you get to see how I forgot to take my camera out of time-lapse mode. As I begin this journey to teach myself how to edit a bit more professional, I find it funny sometimes the simple mistakes you can make, but instead of deleting the video or not posting it, I'd figure I'd share anyway so you can get a laugh. Enjoy.